Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amida. This is my very first YouTube video and I really hope that you guys like it. I'm going to be reviewing pieces that I bought from H&M, Topshop, Zara and ASOS. So my channel is basically going to be about fashion and we'll figure the rest later. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video. I'm just going to talk you through the pieces that I bought from H&M. So jumpers, I got tops, I got some belts. I'm going to show you the pieces that I got and then I hope you can make it at the end of the video because that's when I'm going to style them and just show you what you like they look like. I don't know if you can really see them. These necklaces from ASOS and I got this jean that I'm wearing. The jumper that I'm wearing now is from H&M. I love this color. I don't know, I'm into yellow at the minute. I think it's quite woolly and it's quite soft. It's so comfortable and I think it was $39.99. I got this and I got it in a size small because I don't know if you can see, it's quite baggy anyway. With this jumper, I feel like you can wear it in so many ways. You can tuck it into jeans, you can wear it over a skirt, over a dress, and yeah, I hope you like them. So I got this, like I said, I'm into yellow this season. Corduroy is quite big at the minute, so I got this jumper. It's like corduroy material. It's quite soft and it's quite nice, and I think you'll feel great against the skin, even inside as well. So I love the color. I think you can wear this with so many different pieces. Even though it's quite bright, you can wear like gray jean, blue jean, black jean, skirt to tone it down. So I got this in a size medium and I got it again in another color. This one is like would you say this is like maroon, dark red? I think it's really nice. I got this one as well and then I got this one in a medium also. I also got some pieces for my bedroom. H&M is very good for like home stuff, so I got like a few pieces for my bedroom. Just like I said, you can tell I'm into yellow, so I got like these yellow cushion covers just to add a splash of color in my bedroom because my bedroom is quite white. So I just think this will bring some like zhuzh to the room, if you know what I mean. And I got this blazer. I think everyone, be it a guy, be it a girl, we should have like a black blazer in our closet. I love it. I got it in a 10. The buttons make the jacket look so expensive. It's like gold buttons. I got it in a size 10 and it's got the shoulder pad which gives you that nice structure when you wear it, so you can style a black blazer in so many different ways. And like I said, at the end of the video I'll show you different ways on how you can style it. This is so nice. I got this. I'm actually not open this, I'm just talking through as I go along. Like I've forgotten some of the pieces that I got. I got this jumper as well, which is quite nice. I got this in a small because it's nudie kind of. I got it in a size small because it's quite wide anyway. It's turtleneck, like wide sleeves, and it's got like a slit on the side as well. So this you can wear it over skirt, you can wear it over pants. I'll show you. I got a dress from Zara that I'm going to style this with, and this as well that you can wear. Just like if you can wear with the chain, you can wear it with like a nice bra underneath, or if you want, you can wear like a vest. You can wear it under this blazer just to like make it pop. Ooh, I got this top as well. I'm actually excited with this piece. I don't know if I'm going to keep all of these pieces. Maybe you guys can help me and let me know what you think I should keep after I style the video because it's quite a lot. So I got this top. I love it. I love the style. I think it's so like rich, and I got it in a small. It's quite wide, so you've got like a string there that you pull to tie it, so it's like cinching the waist for you, so you can wear it over jean. And I love the sleeve. I love like the little ruffles. I think it's so nice, but I'll see when I try it on anyway, but I'm sure that I'm gonna love it. I've got this as well, a jumper. Oh gosh, got a lot of things I didn't realize. I got this as well. This is a jumper. I ordered this over the Christmas period, so I was hoping I would come just in time. So I got this. What else did we get here? So I got this as well. I've worn this. I wore this on New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Went to see the fireworks, so I wore this with my Topshop jean and boots. It says au revoir. Oh god, I got this as well. I'm into this type of like dark, like brownie beige tone. I got this.
Myself when we doing our thing, doing our thing, doing our thing, doing our thing. Got that good gon' ruin my pain, ruin my pain, ruin my pain, ruin my pain. A few days and she won't make plans, won't make plans, won't make plans, won't make plans. On my dick like one of my fans, on my fans, on my fans. I do like Knuckles just like just like just like just like just like just like Knuckles like just like just like I do like myself when I'm doing my thing, doing my thing, doing my thing, doing my thing. It's on that shit gonna put me in the drain, put me in the drain, put me in the drain. Put me in the drain. You do good, gon' run my brain. Run my brain. Run my brain. Run my brain. Swear that shit can't run my brain. Run my brain. Run my brain. I do like Knuckles just like just like just like that shit just like just like just like Knuckles just like just like just like I do like Knuckles just like just like just like her shit just like just like just like Knuckles just like just like just like I do like like just like just like I do like Sky.